it must be in this scenario.
0.
Could be anything on the other side. Could be anything. It couldn't be 0, it couldn't be 255. It is something between 0 and 255. Any x will be here. Did you get the point? So this is the meaning of default gateway. It's really the meaning of the word default gateway. The first gateway that you can use to lay out. Any problem? If you write like this, what's going on? What will happen? You've got the address, you've got a subnet, you've got a default gateway. This is really your scenario. Can you go anywhere?
Yes.
How?
It's finding that.
Are you going to use your, in this scenario, are you going to use your switch or even your hub or anything else in your network? In this scenario,
The router.
can you go to the router?
Just switch or and hop, not router.
No, in this scenario, can you go somewhere? I mean, in this scenario, you are number 2, router is in your scope, so you can't find tree, you can't find the router. Is that right? Because it's the same. So you just need to give your packets to the router, and router, I want you to go to yahoo.com for me. So that's the way. So you are using hub or switch for this scenario. You're going out from your computer, you are number 2, and try to find number 3, then go to number 3 and give him the packet. Go to Yahoo for me. Go outside. I want to go outside. But what if I put 2?
Oh, no.
No.
You are 2 and your default gateway is 2. It means that the internet cable must be plugged directly to your computer. You're not going to use any other device. You're not going outside in the network. You are the router. It means that you are router. Router needs the internet.
Yes.
Is that right? So you are router. You don't need to go outside. You just need your cable. Okay, send the information to your cable. And with some other procedures, they're going to send packets to Yahoo.
Is it possible?
But if it would be like this, it means that you are number 2, but if you want to go outside the network, you have to go and find number 3. And as you know, it's not possible. Because this one is not the same as your address. Combination of these 2
Yes.
shows you that you can't reach this address. Huh? Correct?
Correct.
Yeah. Can I leave it like this?
No.
Is it possible to leave it like this?
No.
No. There must be something inside, at least 0 or anything. Okay? Here is the DNS. So you can obtain DNS server address automatically or manually enter the DNS address. Who will give us the address of DNS server in here? If you put it in the automatic.
Again, this.
Okay? And here, preferred DNS server, alternative DNS server. If I want to go to find bth.se, what is his IP address? We don't know. We have to find a DNS. And we are going to type a DNS address here. Something like that. So is it correct? The first one, preferred DNS address 192.168.0.10. What does it mean?
address of the...
This is the address of DNS. If you want to find some address, you should ask DNS. On port number
10.
10. Port number 10.
100.
Shame on you.
53.
53. I told you 10 minutes ago.
Yes.
But you said that port is not important.
Yeah, but it's not 10. I never said that it's not important. 53.
Yeah.
But why you say 10? This is the IP address. This is not the port. If you want to call DNS, it means you have to go to 192.168.0. What is the IP? All of it is IP. Which means that go to this IP and send a request on port number 53. It means that this is a DNS request. I want to find out where is bth.se, where is, I don't know, nasa.gov, anything like that. So this is the address of the DNS server that you're going to find the IPs of the system. Okay? It could be like this, right? Answer me, we've got great.
Yes.
Yes.
And how about this one? 20.23.3. Is it possible?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not the same, I mean, as we defined, it should be 255, 255.
It shouldn't be 254. That's
No.
not mass. As these two items will show us, the first three parts must be the same. It must be like this. Is it the same? Is it true? Is it true? No, it's not true. It means that if you want to find a website, you can ask your alternative website with a DNS server inside our LAN. If you didn't find it here, you should go to here. Who can go here? Who can go to here, to this place? Who can go outside?
Router.
It means that let router ask this IP address, what is the, I don't know, bth.se. Okay.
So I remember before I've used that alternative DNS.
Yes, you can use it.
Yes, in my ADSL port. It was 4421, something like that. 22. Yes, I remember.
It means that this is your IP address, this is your subnet mask, this is your default gateway, this is your DNS. If you try to find something, go to this address. You can also say nothing. Let the DHCP find it, DNS server for you. But if you want to assign it manually, you should write something here. Can you write 300 here? Can you start with 3? Did you understand what I'm going to do? I just pushed 3 first, so 3 is okay. 33 is okay.
Maximum is 255.
Maximum is 255. Okay, did you understand how?
Yes.
What kind of things are they?
Sorry, what's the difference between IP address and DNS server?
IP address is you.
Mm-hmm.
DNS server is the computer who will resolve the names for you. You want to go to bth.se. The system won't understand that part. Let me just write this. This is your Internet Explorer, okay?
Browser.
Yeah, Internet browser. You're going to find this address. But the system doesn't understand these kinds of names. That's for us. This address is, I don't know, 119.180.10. It is difficult to memorize that one. So you're going to use the names. But we've got a service called DNS. Name, service, DNS, who will resolve it for us if you want to view www.bth.se. That would be 180.10. We should find the IP, but we don't need to memorize the IP. We just type the address in our address bar, and the system will go and find some DNS server somewhere, anywhere. Okay? There is DNS server somewhere.
Within the network.
Yeah, we've got it. It doesn't really matter. Maybe we've got it inside